You need to understand this concept right there. You are in need. There is many boring things about being rich. If it would not be that boring, everybody could be the one. My story is that I made my first money through coaching. I teach my students English. And that's how I made my first money. Yes, this is boring truth. You see, everyone could become one if it would not be that boring. I saw the guys from the community called Adonis School, and he was begging Hamza for the creation of $129 course, which would just funnel them into the Adonis School, which is his paid community. Anyways, that doesn't matter. The guy's just begging in comments from the other guy that would teach him how to make $129. Do you see how this is just crazy? And he's asking, where is $129 course? I'm from third world country. I can't get the money on. How can I make the first money in a third world country? They're creating excuses, and that sounds even boring to me. I recently realized that my life is too easy. I was coming back from the gym and I thought to myself, I'm living the dream life. I have the place where to record, I have the gym where to go, I have the food from my mother that she cooks me every day, and I'm really grateful for all of it that I have. And I thought to myself, I'm really living this best life. I don't spend money on some house holding stuff, on essentials. I'm not going to grocery shop, I'm not doing that and this and that, and I'm living, I have the gym, I have the body, I have the work to do. And this era is made us live in too much comfort. You can go on your bed and scroll TikTok for hours and no one will tell you nothing about it. Maybe your mother or your father will tell you, stop doing this, go and learn some lessons, go and learn the math because you can do math, you're stupid as F. The thing is that we're living in too much comfort, and I realized that by even doing it myself. I said to myself that it is my dream life, and you know, when we are becoming older, it is when they are saying that live your best life when you are young, because this is the best moment of your life. This is the highest contribution that you would get. Because after it would suck, you would go on and work, you would do the things that it doesn't matter. You would have a family, that is matter actually. You would do the things, the boring things, that will kill you and ruin your mental health. You would not have that fun life because you would need to think about consequences, you would need to be grown as man, with kids, with wife, with your car payment, pay this, pay that, pay taxes, pay whatever. Do you realize that they are feeding you information to have fun right now and then to suffer in the future? Do you realize how they trick you in this rat race? They want you to go and work, they want you to do that, because you're feeling too comfortable right now, my friend. Like I said to you, you can lay down right now and do nothing, and that's bad. You need to feel under pressure all the time. You need to feel the discomfort, because that's what will make you wealth. That's what will make you rich, and that's what will give you money. In today's video, we're gonna speak about three games that people play right now. And we will start from the first one, which is status. Number one, status. I found out too much old people that play this game. Status is when you want to improve and upgrade your place in a social hierarchy. They do it just to simply be the number one of simply nothing. You know, status. To get some validation from other people, and that's already show you that they are weak. I don't need validation. I need to work with my asset. I need to play the game that will give me money, the wealth game. Now the status one can really destroy your life when you are young. By any means, you would try to get girls, you would try to go on a party, you would try to show them everybody that you crave their attention, that you want to become the big boy. Yes, maybe it will provide you some money by being influencer for the known ability. It is a zero-sum game. It is not going to lead you to money. Now the second game is money game. Makes sense, huh? But money game is not wealth game, it is the third one. Money game is when you try to get as much money as you could. It's when you work hard on double shifts, on double works, simply to get them. It is when you don't work and you don't get money. That is so-called money game. Just sit or lay down in your bed. This is when the money game comes in and shows you that you play it right now because you don't have any assets that will lead you to wealth game. Wealth game is when you have assets. Simple as that. The thing that will make you money even when you are not existing in your workplace. Yes, passive income, the best dream of American generation. I don't really believe in it. You need to work hard, work your ass off to make this asset. Make these assets that will make you money even when you sleep. Now, the money game is when you transfer your time and wealth. So you start with money game and then you upgrade, level up to the wealth one. It is really interesting and important how much can you change your mindset if you know what you game to play. So seek wealth, brother, because it's the really number one. Wealth game will lead your life into what you want. So as I told you, you can't exchange your time for money, but you can make the first money on it. The $129 course that you can buy is by simply working, by coaching someone, by going on a low-wage job, by helping someone in solving their problems so that it will give you money. You do it firstly, so then you will acquire your goal and your wealth game. Now let's end this video with discomfort. I want you to feel discomfortable because, like I told you, I was living in my dream life, and that's why I need to put myself into discomfort state. Even though I feel good, even though I go to the gym every day, even though I have the events that I create for myself, the work that I like, I still need to be in this discomfort state. I'm not in the best life right now. No, don't believe anyone. Recently I was on a call with my guys and they said, how do you solve negative emotions? And I said, I don't really have them. And they said, oh, that's interesting because I have anxieties, pain attacks every single day. I don't feel good and I feel this discomfort. And I thought to myself, maybe it's even good for them because this what makes them move and this what makes move me too. The feeling of not having a food in your house, the feeling of not having enough money for your rent, that's what will make your ass work. Yeah, maybe it's not the best work, maybe it's low-wage work, it's the work that you don't want to do, but it is the start of your journey. And believe me, only you can change yourself if you want to. Thank you for watching this video. Don't be nice, be good. See you in the next one. Wabang!